looks like so far. Yeah. Okay, it is raining, but I want to try and get this one done. That way I can move on to the next one. So I'm coming out here and working on this thing. It's in there. It's heating up. It's just some mild steel, but I don't know. This is the first one I'm ever doing, so this is just to practice mostly. So I do have some 1095 bar stock that I will use once I get, after I make like 1 or 2 more knives after this. So I'll start using that maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more propane. Okay, about there. Looks good. Let's see how this is. I don't need that. Take that off. Okay. Yeah, I can use a little bit more heat. The little hammer I'm using, probably just like 2-3 pounds, I don't know. But nothing special. And then just some prongs, 12-inch prongs. Okay, that's looking decent enough. I just need to shape this a little bit and draw the handle out some, and I'll probably go to the grinder. Oh! Let's see, there was a bend in this. I don't really see it anymore. And getting that side hit is really annoying. Super annoying to get that side hit in. Hate trying to do that. But I'll probably just work on this for 30 minutes to an hour tonight, because I don't really want to get soaked. There's a little bit of shelter here, but it's kind of wet. I need to work these, put some lube these or something. They are rough. Oh, okay. If I can grab my metal, maybe, just maybe, I will get to work on it. Gosh, dang it, man. I hate this thing. It's so hard. I don't know why it's so hard to get a good hit when I'm gripping the edges, but gosh dang, man. I'll probably come out here and work on this tomorrow too, so I'll get some daylight footage so it's easier for you guys to see. That teal color though is so nice. Wind. It's picking up a little bit. It's not too bad. Let's see. Okay. A little bit. I need to flatten that back a little bit. It's kind of arched. I need to flatten that, and then maybe not make the belly so like rounded, maybe point it a little bit more and try and get a little bit of a tip on there, and then work on the handle and go from there. Oh! I am not trying to water quench my stuff right now. Man, that side hit. Oh, that's always out. I really need to figure out how to grip that better. If anybody like knows the way, none of you will probably have ever worked the forge. Maybe, I don't know. Hopefully one of you guys have. If you have a way, tell me how to hit the sides better without it falling out of my hands. Please do, because I'm having trouble with that, man. In case y'all are wondering, I just took my welding gloves off that I use, but I use safety equipment, YouTube. So let me post this video, please. But yeah, I have these on, jeans so I don't catch fire, and then this too so I don't catch fire, eye pro, and then my gloves. So don't be taking down my videos, YouTube. Please. I beg you. I'm using equipment, man. I won't hurt myself. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Ooh, that's a nice. A bit more of a tip on that. It's starting to get thin, so I need to be careful. Because I had to adjust this blade twice now, actually, because one time there's a, there's a little piece that I need to get rid of, and then I had to do it again because it was getting too thin. So I need to be careful on it getting too thin. Try and get rid of some of that water that's on my anvil. But you guys apparently really liked the metal detecting video, apparently, because 113 views. That's pretty good for my channel. I'll do more of those if you guys like them. I will. Don't you worry. But yeah, I think, I don't know, I'm gonna keep doing these even if people don't like them, because these are fun and I like doing this. This is something fun for me. So I mean, metal detecting is too, but grab it, grip, grip, grip. Oh, come on, stupid. Oh, that's getting thin. I can't do anything with that. I need to not hit that anymore. Okay. Let me flip this around and try and get a little bit of work done on the handle here. Ooh. I think I can work with how thin that the blade is right now. I just need to detail a little bit there. I can work with the round belly. It's my first knife. I mean, it honestly looks like a shark. I'll just call it the shark blade. Put some eyes on it and a mouth. But yeah, the shark blade. New invention by me. Jeez Louise. Okay, let me like stand over here to block the wind. I am wind blocker now. This is my job. Guys, I am getting a scope cam. So next airsoft battle I go to, I'm gonna record it and you guys will get to see it. And I got a new sniper too, airsoft sniper. So I will get to use that and go to an airsoft battle and you guys get to see that. So watch out for that one. Let's see, next airsoft battle's next month, so it'll be a little bit. I don't know when next month, but I know it's next month. So. Round on that, and then let's see, I'll do one more round on the handle, get that a little bit tidied up a little bit. I'll have to work on this again tomorrow, but it's windy out here and annoying, so I'll do that, and then I'll try and make it look less like a shark maybe, and then go from there, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do a lot of grinding work to this thing, so we shall see how this goes. I know it's my first knife, so I don't really have much high expectations for this. So I don't know, I just want to get this thing done so I can move on to the next one. This is a nice thing about having a outdoor setup is that you have fresh air. Otherwise you give yourself carbon monoxide poisoning, and that's not fun. So how's that looking? Yeah, grab it. I need to flip this around. Oh, come on. There. Get a clip of that. That's gonna be my that's gonna be my thumbnail right there. I'm gonna take a photo of that before I get done, because I want that for the thumbnail. That'd look cool. Bungee cord. Okay, how's that looking in there? Oh, push it in. Flip it around. Ooh. Ah, man, I cannot get a good side hit. Okay, I'm doing one more. I lied. I'm doing one more because I really want to get that flattened. I just might have to grind it, but you know, come on. I don't know why that's so hard. Like, how can I grip it? Can I grip it like this? Would that be easier? I don't know, but I'll try it. Made it a little bit easier. It's flatter a little bit more. One more run. Okay. I'm probably gonna lie and do a couple more. Tell me what videos you guys like. Well, I already know you guys like the metal detecting videos, so you don't have to tell me that. But, like, I don't know. Like, tell me what videos you guys want to see. You want to see this more? Because I can absolutely do that. Metal detecting, any of that stuff. If you look on my about page, I've kind of made up my mind on what I want to mostly do videos on. I'll make some exceptions, and then I can shift that around a little bit. And I think I want to try and upload maybe 2 times a week, maybe 3 sometimes. Like, try like Tuesday, Thursday, and maybe one on the weekend or something. I don't know, I'll try it. See how it goes. Bro, this thing's so annoying. Okay, the back's flat enough for me. I give up on that. This is good for tonight. I'll take a photo of it to add in at the end, and then I'm gonna take my thumbnail shot. Okay. See y'all in the next one. I hope you enjoyed. Adios.